My name is Salvatore Velarde. I'm the co-founder and CEO of SoulArc Boards. So we primarily focus on longboards. We've got a couple different iterations. We have a non-powered version, which is what we initially started out with, and then recently we've gone into the electric side of boards. And so we've got a unique product that we've developed over the years that uses a composite spring that is attached to a deck that then allows us to create a very organic sensation. We started back in 2008 on the product, so Creo allowed us to create more organic freeform shapes that we were after with our design. And so, I mean, from an organic freeform standpoint, that was really the tool at that time that was leading and still leads today. We chose PTC Creo from the standpoint of the parametric design side of it. You know, it allows us to create iterations much quicker, more efficiently. We can modify designs on the fly a lot quicker because the parametric aspect of Creo. And also on the advanced surfacing side of it, it does a great job of being able to create organic shapes, and that was a big part of our design. Creo's been very helpful just to be able to engage with Mitch, the other co-founder, from the standpoint of not having to pass heavy files back and forth, especially on Creo 8. That allows us to kind of streamline that data transfer back and forth, and just allows us to be able to collaborate, you know, much more efficiently, much more, you know, it's much more timely now. You know, Creo has played a massive role in SoulArc's success as far as being able to design a robust product that's met every feature and requirement that we've had internally. With using the Creo platform, the design platform, it's allowed us to meet every one of those metrics, which has allowed SoulArc to be successful. You know, so I mean, the part that I'm looking forward is as we move along and as the Creo platform continues to grow with different innovative modules, and you know, I think it's just going to allow SoulArc to gain a competitive edge and continue a competitive edge over our competition.